Today we're taking a look at Toast POS, a feature-rich, restaurant-focused point-of-sale system. But is it really the best fit for a small restaurant? Let's find out. Toast POS truly shines when it comes to restaurant operation. It includes tableside ordering, kitchen display integration, real-time reporting, inventory tracking, CRM tools, and employee management, all tailored for dining establishments. Its cloud-based system means you can access performance data from anywhere, and its hardware is built to withstand restaurant environments, durable and spill-resistant. And also, what's more, Toast offers 24/7 customer support, comprehensive onboarding, and even optional in-house payroll and delivery features, which is amazing. However, Toast isn't without significant drawbacks. Small businesses often struggle with 2-year contracts, early termination, and less price transparency. Transaction processing fees can be steep, typically around 2.49% plus 15 cents with hardware, or 3.09% plus 15 cents pay-as-you-go. Plus, Toast's system is highly tied to its own hardware, limited flexibility for existing setups. And also, internet reliance is a concern. Outages can limit functionality, and some users report glitches and downtime during service hours. In summary, I'd say that Toast POS is a powerhouse for mid-sized or multi-location restaurants that need deep operational control, real-time analytics, and robust support. But for small, budget-sensitive establishments, the long contracts, high fees, and hardware constraints may outweigh the benefits. If you're just starting or running a small cafe or food truck, easier, more affordable alternatives like Square or Touch Bistro might be a better fit.